In this video, we will be showcasing some IKEA Besta unit ideas that reflect the versatility of the range. We will demonstrate examples of how they have been placed together and in what combination. This should allow you to visualize how the Besta range will look and how to best make your space work for you. 1. A home cinema nightstand with a Besta unit mounted at the top to house the projector. 2. IKEA Besta hack into a comfy bench with storage and colorful upholstery and pillows. 3. IKEA Besta bench with storage and upholstery plus pillows as a windowsill nook. 4. IKEA Besta bench with storage drawers, a wooden top, leather poles, and faux fur for comfort. 5. A chic floating media console made of an IKEA Besta piece and stylish round poles. 6. All you need to make IKEA Besta look cooler is leather poles, which are easy to attach. 7. A small floating IKEA entryway console with a concrete countertop for a clean minimalist look. 8. A stylish entryway floating console table made of an IKEA Besta unit and a stained lac shelf. 9. IKEA Besta hack with legs and little knobs to fit a Scandinavian interior. 10. Besta storage combination with Osternass handles can be placed in a modern teenager's room. 11. Simple white IKEA Besta hanging storage. It looks very elegant and minimalist. 12. IKEA Besta as room divider. In addition for storage, you can also use Besta to be a room divider. 13. Creative IKEA Besta combination with other shelves. I can't stop to keep staring at this Besta unit. 14. IKEA Besta with gray doors on a floor. A Besta hacks that are very elegant and unsightly. 15. Creative IKEA Besta solution to fill the niche. If you need storage at home, maybe you can use this idea. 16. Hanging IKEA Besta unit with a wooden tabletop, with a little touch to add wood color. Now your Besta looks different. 17. Tall IKEA Besta storage solution, very elegant and fits into any room. 18. An alternative way to design floor-to-ceiling storage that doesn't look bulky. Try this in your living room. 19. IKEA Besta storage in an attic. A little extra decoration, like a fluffy mat and pillow. Your Besta look awesome. 20. Short IKEA Besta storage unit in a living room. Very simple but makes the family room look elegant. 21. You can customize Besta's cabinet with mahogany doors and legs. It'd look like a fine art furniture piece. 22. Floating Besta units look even more interesting than those you put on a floor. 23. Turquoise doors make this popular storage series look much more interesting. The color mix is amazing. 24. IKEA Besta can be used in any room, even in the smallest place and family room, as you see in this photo. 25. If you live in a narrow space and need a TV stand, then Besta is the right choice. Besta is great for TV stands and has lots of storage space. 26. Do you work from home but only have a little space? Put the Besta unit on your desk and voila, you have extra storage. 27. By making a few modifications, you can make IKEA Besta as a sofa. This looks very nice and elegant. 28. Put IKEA Besta under the TV. Besides adding aesthetic value, you can also store various objects, such as flower vases or photo frames. 29. Need a cupboard? Change IKEA Besta into your dream closet. No need time and difficult material. 30. This is probably one of the IKEA Besta unit ideas that I really like. How about you?